Well, good morning, you guys. And I just wanted to jump on this morning because I received a lot of comments yesterday about when I canned the roasted tomato sauce. I'll leave a link to that video up in an iCard for you guys. I'll also leave it down below. But so many of you were commenting about and asking why I added citric acid to my tomato sauce if I was pressure canning it. And many of you just came right out and said, you know, if you're pressure canning, you do not have to add citric acid. So I thought it was really important. I feel like the bearer of bad news, but I feel it's really important, especially since many of you are new out there canning, to address this, okay? So, I am, the book that I'm going to be referring to is going to be the USDA book, The Complete Guide to Home Canning. I will leave a link to this book down below. If you are canning and you don't own this, you want to buy it. I think it's only $9, but this is really this is all the approved methods of canning is right here. Everything that's been tested is in this book. If the internet were ever to go down, if you can't get online, if you're canning and you're just unable to even get online, I'm sorry, I'm going to try to keep my camera focused here. You're going to want this book as a, oh my gosh. You're going to want this book to have on hand. This is what you should be referring to each and every time you can. I open this book, no matter what recipe I'm using, in any of the other books, ball included, I always double check it in the USDA book. And even if I've canned it a million times, I always double check it in the USDA book because I could be doing something wrong. I could be forgetting something. So I always double check myself, even if I've canned it a million times. So the page that I'm going to refer to you, if you do have this book, you can also download it in a PDF file and print it out for free, I do believe, is going to be page 3-5, okay? And it's a general page about tomatoes. And in here, it clearly states, okay, it tells you what you should add because you can add citric acid, you can add lemon juice, and you can also add vinegar. Now, they do warn that vinegar does change the taste of it. I also find that lemon juice, I just don't like using lemon juice in my tomato sauce. So I choose to use the citric acid. But it says in here, when a procedure in this guide for canning tomatoes offers both boiling and pressure canning options, all steps in preparation or the procedure are still required, even if the pressure processing option is chosen. This includes acidification. The boiling water and pressure alternatives are equal processes with different time and temperature combinations calculated for these products. So no matter what, whether you are water bathing or pressure canning your tomatoes, by the way, it does say if you pressure can them, it does say under pressure canner, the result will be a higher quality, more nutritious canned tomato product. That is also one of the reasons why I choose to pressure can my tomatoes instead of water bath canning them, because the quality and the nutrition in it will be better. But it also knocks the time down quite a bit from like yesterday's process. Instead of doing 35 minutes in a water bath canner, I only had to do 15 in a pressure canner. But the preparation, including the acidification, is the same. No matter if you're water bath canning or pressure canning, you still have to add acid to your tomatoes. Now, it does say you can add sugar to offset the taste. So the sugar doesn't do anything other than make it taste less acidy for you, or it won't give you the maybe the acid reflux. You know, many people get acid reflux from tomato products. So the sugar is only for the taste. It's not for the process. So I wanted to point that out. I'm also going to leave a link down below to an article that further explains. But the old school method was you didn't have to add the acid if you pressure canned. But testing has shown that in order to kill bacteria, to make tomatoes safe to can, you have to add acid, no matter if you're water bath canning or pressure canning. And so that's super important. So if you're missing that step, you possibly could be pressure canning your tomatoes and still not making them safe. So I want everybody to be safe out there and have the best information, you know, available to them. So it's going to be page 3-5 in the USDA book, where you can read it for yourself. Like I said, I will also leave a different link down below from the USDA explaining why that is. They go into the pH balance and all of that, so you can read that for yourself. So I just wanted to make this quick video because I received so many comments. The comments were so overwhelming that I thought it was really important to address that if you are canning tomatoes, whether you are water bath canning them or pressure canning them, you should be adding acid to them, okay? I just want you guys to be safe out there and have the best information available. So with that, I'm going to end this. I'm going to upload it real quick, and I hope this helps somebody out there, okay? All right, you guys. I don't know what I'm canning today, but I'm sure I'm going to be, oh, I'm canning celery today. Yes, I am. All right, so happy canning, you guys, and I'll be seeing you soon. Bye.